Okay, I'd like to introduce you to the Olomana Gardens cycle timer. It has 4 zones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one of them has a row that it controls the water and the air solenoids to it. You can put it in the automatic mode or you can go manual. You can turn them on one at a time like this, or you can lock any one off if you wanted to service or harvest that row and not get sprayed by water. So if I go to automatic mode, which would be all the way down, and you hit the start button, she'll start off there. And currently I have it set for 2 minutes on, 2 minutes off, or it'll go 2 minutes on, then cycle the next one 2 minutes, the next one 2 minutes, the next one 2 minutes, and then it will come back. So it would be 2 minutes on, 6 minutes off in this case. There are 2 power supplies. One is a 24 volt. I'm using a rather heavy duty one there. You have a 750 milliamp one. It's quite adequate. It's very easy to connect. The control power, the 24 volt goes in and you have a connector here and you simply put it on there on that connector and you're good to go. Over here is the control voltage. This one comes with the unit. It's a DC 24 volt and that's what supplies the power for this little unit here. This little unit is programmed by, there's 2 little buttons here. You push them, you hold them down for about 5 seconds, and it flips to this. Then you follow the arrow keys. You simply toggle through what you want to do, what you want to set. And then you can set the time over here. So if there's something you want to do, you hit signal type, what you want to initiate, and then you go. If you want to change the time, you simply toggle through and you change the time. And so it does running mode. You can say in turn, like go relay 1, go to relay 2. You say yes. If you want to go over, you want to see the next one, you can go over. You can toggle through this and change anything, any ingredient you wanted to. As I'm toggling this, you see the numbers change? So you can change anything you want to minutes to seconds. We have it set for minutes. Okay? And that's about it. Pretty simple. All right? And so if you go back out, if I press it here, and you go back out, or at any time that if you want to, you say okay, and say okay again, and then you'll trigger back out, and she'll go wherever you want to go. So you can just toggle around here and set it where you need to be. That's about it, and she'll time out. So there's your 4 connections, or 1, 2, 3, 4 right there, and that's where you hit your solenoids. Everything is clearly labeled inside. Stop button, start button, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what's on the control. It's in a weatherproof case. So it comes here, she latches down. It has little feet that go on it. They'll be included in the box. You can put them on for mounting it on the wall without putting any holes in your container. So again, 24 volt AC does the relays. The 24 volt DC is for the brains on the inside. Well, that's about it. Hope you enjoy it. Olomana Gardens, Glenn Martinez, going out to Marvin in Jamaica.